Hey guys, today I am super excited to reveal that we'll be collaborating with Amazon's #1 brand for leather care, that is Leather Honey. And that is to bring you guys some of our best content yet. So if you're asking yourself which leather care products to buy in order to restore or maintain your leather investments, an accurate way to find out would be to test a bunch of them and keep one that works. Now, you can do that, or you can trust this channel's experience having tried a wide variety of products that have been tested on so many different types of leather. The truth is that most cleaners and conditioners out there are loaded with harsh, toxic chemicals or are water-based, meaning you're left constantly reapplying while exposing yourself and your leather to unnecessary risks over time. And that's exactly why we've teamed up with Leather Honey, an all-natural, non-toxic solution that penetrates deeply, lasts longer, and is free from harmful forever chemicals. Guys, I am not the first to say that this is a great product. Amazon has over 60,000 combined 5-star ratings and has been around since 1968, never having changed the formula. Oh yeah, and it's made in the USA. So let's get to it and show you how to give your leather the care it deserves without the worry, because protecting your leather investment should never come at the cost of your time, health, or the environment. Enough said, let's get to it. Alright, so following Leather Honey's instructions, we'll first remove the laces to gain full access to clean our leather. It's not necessary to remove the laces every time you clean, but definitely during your more thorough maintenance. Next, we'll go ahead and brush off any dirt or debris. It's best to brush off any surface dirt because once you get into the cleaning, you don't want to scratch your leather as you wipe it down. Alright, for this step, I'd suggest brushing dirt or caked on mud with a synthetic brush like a toothbrush in order to get into those nooks and crannies. But for regular dusting, I'd suggest using a soft horsehair brush to gently dust off your leather. Make sure not to forget the boot tongue, because that's often where dirt hides that can seriously break down your leather. So now onto our cleaning solution. Alright guys, I am super stoked about this leather cleaner. Leather Honey's non-toxic formula is an affordable investment that goes a long way. So grab yourself a soft brush, lint-free cotton or microfiber cloth, and gently rub in a circular motion, making sure to use different parts of your cloth for each panel, ensuring that any dirt doesn't continue to grind into the leather. Now, as I showed in the video, you guys can suds up the cleaner, which is going to allow those suds to lift the dirt onto the surface so you can easily wipe it off. But either way guys, just make sure you're thorough. It doesn't hurt to clean more than once, but I will say, if you leave dirt on, it can cause damage on your leather over time, which can bring creases and cracking sooner than it needs to. As always, you guys will want to wipe off as much moisture as possible in order to prevent the leather from soaking, which can cause damage over time. Now, while we wait, a fun tip I love to do is to flame seal any loose threads with a lighter. This is going to tack them down so that they don't come loose any further. And no need to worry about burning the leather if it's quick. And now onto Leather Honey's conditioner. And now that our boots are dry, we can condition them with Leather Honey's leather conditioner. And just so you guys know, there is 0% honey in this formula. You get the viscosity of honey without the stickiness. Simply apply some conditioner onto a lint-free cotton cloth and gently rub it into the leather. A trick I use is to spread the conditioner evenly on the cloth to avoid concentrating it in one spot, ensuring even treatment of the leather. Now, I definitely have some issues with people who have reviewed this product in the past because they try it and don't follow the instructions. Oftentimes, I'll hear even seasoned cleaners say that they don't like the product because it's sticky, but they didn't even wait for the conditioner to dry on the leather. And if you read it, it clearly says on the bottle to let it dry for at least 24 hours. And believe it or not, but that's why it's better than other conditioners, because it deeply seeps into the leather pores, making it last up to 6 months before having to reapply. And when it comes to industry standard conditioners, that's the longest I've ever heard of when it comes to having to reapply your conditioner. Usually it's every couple months, but like I said before, many other conditioners are water-based, so they don't deeply hydrate your leather like Leather Honey does. Something cool to note is that you can also use Leather Honey Cleaner to clean your laces as well. Simply remove your laces from your footwear, apply some cleaner, and have at it. After that, simply run your laces through a cloth and allow them to dry. And if you've watched the channel before, you know I always highly recommend using cedar shoe trees to remove odor and maintain shape. But even using plastic bags or recycled newspaper or whatever else you can stuff into your leather will provide it structure that it needs to prevent cracking and creasing over time. Filling out your leather is going to maintain that like new look and prevent your shoes from looking old and worn, which retains value and durability. Feel free to give your leather one last brush down and we're done. It's that easy. And guys, I was able to get a huge discount from Leather Honey just for you, so simply head over to leatherhoney.com, choose what you need, head to checkout, and use code Evumies for free shipping and 20% off your first order. Also, feel free to use the affiliate links in the description if you're more comfortable purchasing from Amazon. Now, let's see the before and after. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and learn how to better care for your leather, whatever form it comes in, whether shoes, bags, jackets, or more. Now, make sure to check out these videos next, and as always, remember to love your leather. I'll see you guys in the next one.